Today I'm going out for a few pints and meet my friends after a very long time. I've been in this lockdown for around more than 3 months now, and finally when the lockdown is lifted, people have started going out and all the pubs and the restaurants are open now. The only thing is you have to order some food before you can order your pints. So very excited to finally go out somewhere. And meet her.
Hi.
Channi, where are we going today?
We are going to River Bar or any pub that's open. The last time we went to a pub was on 13th March and it's been
it was a long time, 3-4 months already.
10 July today.
Yeah, and finally we are going out for a few pints. We don't have to drink from can anymore. And this part I cannot put on my video.
And luckily it's sunny today. ठीक है, तो कहाँ जाना है बताओ?
And this is our friend. She's also would be joining us now. Shalvika, what do you have to say about my GoPro?
Hi Swati.
Hi Swati. So we are meeting Shalvika now. Shalvika, क्या कहना है GoPro में? I'm recording you right now. What do you have to say?
Yeah, I feel very good, but where should we meet?
क्या?
I like your jacket, Abid.
Thanks. A new jacket.
अच्छा सुनो, कहाँ मिलना है? तुम लोग हमारे घर के सामने से आओगे?
चलो ठीक है, आ जाते हैं. Now we are calling Rohit after some.
Who's with Sway?
Yeah, but he's also not picking up our call. He did. क्या कहोगे bro? You're on camera. What do you have to say?
I have to say that.
Are you coming?
We are also outside and we are having a few pints here and in Tala. So what about you guys?
So look, this is how a typical Dublin sky looks like on most of the days. All black clouds. But today is a great day. Hello guys. Hi Swati.
Hi, how are you?
और तुम पहले जीती हो. What's up Swati? आप पहली बार आए हमारे GoPro पे, कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा
है ना, अच्छा लग रहा है. लाइफ में आप कुछ अचीव किया फाइनली. कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छे लग रहे हो
है ना, फाइनली 2-3 साल बाद. अरे कहाँ जा रहे हो लोग?
The post office. This is the first post office of Ireland.
Yeah, this is called GPO, General Post Office, where all the war took place. Swati, do you want to share any Ireland news? What is this street? Anything?
This is
So this is the new face in the law.
I don't live in Dublin anymore.
Yeah, she's the outsider now.
I don't give you any information about Dublin. I'm not a Dublin.
And Channi will say something about.
Talking to my mom.
Okay.
And what about your new jacket?
कहीं पे मिले, फिर हमने 1-2 महीना डेट किया और फिर से हम लोग गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड बने और मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता उन्हें महिला मेरा उठ जाएगा और लास्ट में उठा मुझे उसने उठा लिया.
We are going to this pub right now. JW Sweetman. Shalvika, do you think we'll have a walk-ins here? So we couldn't go here because we have to order some food and there is a minimum order for everyone, and that is around 10 euros. So we were planning to just go for a few pints, but the same everywhere I think so. You have to order some food and then only you can go. This used to be one of the very busy places. बेचारी सिटी सेंटर ही सोचा कि आज लोगों को देखेंगे, फिर हम एकदम आउटस्कर्ट. This is the famous Temple Bar area. It is one of the most touristy places in Dublin, but today due to COVID most of the places are shut. This is Mongolian barbecue, a really famous restaurant. They have this unlimited food for like $10.
It's this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy is running from himself, but she's been living on the high shelf. She's been living on the high shelf.
This is Oliver's. one of the most famous pubs in Ireland. If you are a tourist, this is a must-visit place for anyone who is ever coming to Ireland. This has all the traditional Irish music, the tap dancing. You will find everything here. This is Thunder Road Cafe. I think this is the only one of the few restaurants which are open right now. But to go inside, we have to do a booking first. This is Hard Rock Cafe in Dublin. So we are going to Buskers today.
ये तो speed rating type हो गया.
Remember the light in the moonlight. Remember your shit and shine. Never forget what you look like on that night. I know that time's gonna save me. I know the days will come. They'll hate me.
Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you so much. Thanks.
All in the rush hour. I'm all in a breath now. You got the fire right.
What have you got, Shalvika?
We have ordered martini. So that's Pawn Star martini.
Okay. No, but this one is really good.
With some dried lemon on it.
काहे के लिए?
Oh shit, ये vlog में तो नहीं आ रहा है ना?
नहीं ये.
उसका जिसके सारे vlog